departing Bentonville after a very long day here. Didn't even leave the airport. Still fun though. So the run-up checklist is complete. Everything's closed up. We just need to go mixture rich. I thought this guy was gonna go. I don't know what the heck he's waiting on.
Sun to set?
Yeah, well, we're almost there. Yeah, well, it's 6:40.
Maybe he's waiting for Tower to give him clearance.
There was a guy on final, but he was like miles out.
Bentonville traffic 840 Mike Charlie, left base 18.
So I don't want to get up there because then we'll block the taxiway for this guy or subsequent guys. These guys are over here. They're gonna taxi back in. I'm just trying not to block the way.
Like a bigger cluster than Oshkosh.
Oh no, it's not. But I will say at least Oshkosh is
traffic
organized.
840 Mike Charlie, final 18.
Mike Charlie, you going to take the active for departure, or are you going to cross?
We're going to be departing.
Okay.
Can we go ahead and squeeze out in front here, or are you going now?
Just
you
go.
Guys go ahead.
You're going to run over him
Bentonville
anyways.
traffic, 63 Delta Bravo is taking the active 1A. We'll be departing southbound Bentonville.
We have actually left Oshkosh quicker than this. 13 minutes, just sitting there.
Yeah.
The roundabout's cool, but it also can block traffic pretty well.
It causes a cluster.
Yeah, it really does. But it looks cool though.
Cessna hold short Bravo 3, you ready to go? Yeah, we are, but you guys have been waiting a bit if you guys want to go in front of us.
Roger that. Bentonville traffic, Skyhawk 879 is a flight of 2. We're departing 18 straight out to the south Bentonville. Appreciate the help.
All right, lights on, mixture, both, seatbelts, windows shut,
Yep.
finals clear. They're out of here. And here we go.
Bentonville traffic, Sirius 923 Papa Tango, holding short, runway 18, Bentonville traffic. At Alpha 3, 923 Papa Tango.
Bentonville traffic, Mini 63 Delta Bravo, we're departing straight out to the south-southeast Bentonville.
Number 263 Delta Bravo, got you're headed to Norman. The tower called me last time you were talking. What type of aircraft are you?
4267, you want us over to tower?
Envoy 4267, National 127.1, good day.
27.1, Envoy 4267, yeah.
263 Delta Bravo, squawk 5611, ident.
5611 ident, 63 Delta Bravo.
263 Delta Bravo, your radar contact, 8 miles south of Bentonville, got traffic just off your left side of the Cessna, southbound.
3 Delta Bravo, we're looking for.
Hey Travis, what frequency are you using for Razorback? We can't hear you.
1210.
That would be why. Number 5476, National 127.1. Number 79879, squawk 1611.
1611, 879er.
Number 79879, your radar contact. 5 miles just southwest of the Razorback VOR, maintain VFR.
Maintain VFR, 879er.
Razorback approach, Sirius 923 Papa Tango. Sirius 923 Papa Tango, Razorback up. Yeah, we're looking to get flight following to McAllister. We're Sirius SR22.
Well, we're about to be interesting cruise. Hour and 28 minutes to go. All right, inbound to Thompson in the dark. About 5 minutes to go.
Do we want to assume they're steering to a low pass?
We probably should. After seeing all those deer tracks this morning.
Yeah.
And seeing deer there all the time, I think it would be wise to go ahead and do a low pass. So quiet on the radio tonight.
I know.
Flying through Tulsa, that was non-stop radio chatter.
That was exhausting.
That controller was real busy. He didn't skip a beat though, he just kept on rolling with it.
Thompson traffic, Skyhawk 879ers turning final. 17 will be a low pass, Thompson.
I didn't see any, did you?
I didn't either.
Okay.
Thompson traffic, Skyhawk 879er, left base 17, Thompson.
Definitely got an easterly push tonight.
Neighbor's home.
What?
Neighbor just pulled up.
Oh.
Thompson traffic, Skyhawk 879ers turning final 17, full stop, Thompson.
We do have one light out.
Yeah.
Okay, all the flaps are set. Little crosswind from the left. Speed looks good. Carbine's cold, make sure it's rich, ready to go around. Just like that, we're back.
Yep. All day adventure. Many bugs.
Yeah, tons of bugs. We're lit up like a Christmas tree over here.
Or just a big bug lamp.
That's right. All right, we're home.